I was working late in my lab one afternoon. I was trying to use my vacuum chamber to develop a parabolic mirror for use on future space missions and needed to replicate the cold vacuum of outer space.
What are you doing? I'm using my vacuum chamber for I can't get accurate readings from my interferometer. What's an interferometer?
An interferometer is just a tool that measures small things very accurately. The interferometer splits a beam of light, or any other type of electromagnetic radiation, into two equal parts using a beam splitter. A beam splitter is a half mirror that allows half the light to pass through it and the other half to reflect back. The beam shines onto the mirror and reflects back to a camera. The other beam shines at what you want to measure onto a second mirror, back through the beam splitter, and onto the same camera. This second beam travels an extra distance compared to the first beam.
I got it. Both the distances should be the same, but one is slightly longer due to interference.
That's right. The beams of light are a little out of sync, and this difference the camera picks up on, and it's called an interference pattern. There are two interference patterns. There's the constructive interference, where two of the same waves add together to make a larger one, and destructive interference, which is when two opposite waves cancel each other out.
Here's a great video showing interference patterns in waves.
I think I know what's wrong. The vacuum is causing the whole new thing. Look! You're right. What am I going to do? I can't stop the vacuum. I got your present.
What is it?
It's a dynamic interferometer.
What's a dynamic interferometer?
It was developed by NASA, and it takes measurements so quickly that the vibrations won't even matter.
Really? Thank you. And thank you, NASA. You saved my project. The dynamic interferometer developed by NASA is working perfectly.
I'm sure it can be used for many other things. Maybe it can be used to look at ocean floors to make measurements and look for downed ships and planes.
Great idea.
Thanks, NASA. You've done it again.